We're back at it. I'm super excited for today and for this little 2-day trip I got planned here with my buddies. Middle of nowhere, just how I like it. Got the truck sitting there, got the yaks. Me and my buddy David and his buddy are sitting behind me. We got some horses right there. Yeah, this is the vibe that I needed. We're back, baby. All right, folks, we're gonna go to the drop-in spot, drop these puppies in, and get busy. We'll get some tomorrow. You don't got your worms on you, right? No, yeah, I got. Yeah, this hole is deep, bro. This is where we're gonna throw the anchor and you'll bungee off to me. Yup. This is a nasty hole, I remember. Here, I got the bungee cord sitting right here ready. Well, I got 2 of them. Oh, no, once we get up to that rock point. Yeah, that one right there. But I want to get a little bit up on it. Oh, bro, it's a catfish. Oh no, it's a drum. First fish of the day. First fish of the day is a big drum. Bro, get out of your mouth. Whew, sorry I didn't show you guys that fish. It's just, I want to get my anchor thrown in here. David, oh my God, David. I just got, you just used this as an anchor. He hit it so hard. Like he just absolutely clobbered it. Look, he just had it in his mouth again. There he goes. See, I told you it wasn't 8 inches, it was 10 inches, G. Okay, folks. Caught him on a little Ned rig. Little creek smallie. Beautiful little thing. Look. Oh. Oh. Gee, fight him in the rapid, G. Bet. All right, we got a little pic for the group chat. Now we're gonna release this little 12-inch fish, pounder, first decent one for the creek. I'm like in a deep ass hole right now. Look, he let go of it, but I just got bit. There we go, folks. Oh, he's digging, he's digging. Switched batteries and got bit on the first cast. That's a good one. Another pounder. Healthy though. Beautiful. Beautiful fish. I made one cast towards that bank and got instantly bit. It was right there, just boom. Look, I just got bit again, I think. Yep. Hell yeah. Get him up here. This is a chunky one, bro. Hell yeah. Yeah, that one has a little bit of a gut. I don't know if it's from food. It's a nice one right there, folks. Creek Smalley. I mean, you can't ask for much more. Oh my God, bro. Oh. Oh my God, David, he crushed it. He like damn near ripped the rod out of my hand. There we go. I like this, dude, that fish hit it so hard, guys. Here, I'm gonna take my GoPro off my head while we got beautiful lighting and a beautiful sun. Like, probably about 14 inches or so. Put that one back. Let's do an underwater release of this one, guys.
Oh, big ones. Hey, there's a couple of them. Hey, gas.
Okay. Oh shit, okay. I just moved my paddle for you.
Got him.
I'm snagged. Oh. Here, I'm good. he said, oh, I just retied too. I gotta get in there.
Yeah, get on there. Get in there. No, just get on there.
Hold on, I'm just gonna go to the shore.
Watch this. I'm gonna get the big one.
Look, I just saw.
Wait, just wait a second before you open it. Let me get the big one. Hit me.
Yeah, no, I got you.
Alright, check it.
Watch, I'm about to pull this jig out real quick.
Got it.
Oh shit, did I go up? Oh shit.
There's another one in there too.
There you go. That's a good one, bro. Dave. Oh, they're following.
I know.
Oh shit, David, I just got hit the fucking boat. Holy shit, there's one right in front of you. He just hit it at the boat.
Bro, look at this solid
Yeah.
smallmouth. Oh my goodness.
Oh, why'd I have to get snagged? I'm glad you caught that one, but I know there's more of them.
Look at that. It's solid fish.
Hell yeah. Oh, on.
That's a nice one. That's another one that I've seen.
He ate the jig. Let's go.
Oh, hey, you broke your brake, so you can,
I didn't even break it.
No, but look, you can, yeah, that's what I'm saying. You can go grab it. You can go get it.
Oh yeah. I barely hooked that one by the skin, but I got him on the jig.
Start getting into the sack, man.
That's a nice one, dude. All right, I gotta focus and reel in my rod. I can't show you the fish too much, but we're getting into them. Let's go. He loved that.
Right now.
Watch, I'm about to catch one right here. Watch. Oh shit, bro. This shit, bro, David. No, David, this is even better. Hold on, that hole's even better, G. Hold on. Right behind this tree. Oh, my drag's so loose. It's so big. My drag's so loose. David. Oh shit. David. Okay, I want to flip him in. Let's go. Oh shit. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, we're good. Calm down. Dude.
Yeah, just a little bit smaller or the same size as mine. Like, that's one of those drive-bys.
Hell yeah. Okay, that's a 2-pounder, right? Look at the blue. Oh my god. You guys have to understand, like, I'm really hyped right now. Let me calm down. But no, you guys have to understand where we're catching these fish. These are like untouched, like little wild smallmouth. Like, and this is not a feeder creek. They live here year round. Oh, there's a beautiful little red cardinal right there too. Just top it off. That's awesome. But yeah, let's toss that one back. That one's almost 2 pounds, 15-incher. Awesome. Put him right back. Probably one in the beginning of the hole too. Watch. Like right behind that boulder where it first drops.
There you go. That's a big one. That's a big one. One two. Mine's big, David. Mine's big. I told you.
I told you.
Too big.
I told you. I told you. On the fall, bro.
Yeah, here's a little bigger one.
Here, grab him. Dude, here, don't even hook him yet. Don't hook him. Yeah.
Slapperton.
I was recording on my head cam too. That was perfect. We'll get that double angle. Look at that. Here, let me unhook the fish so I can show them to you guys proper. I was watching you reel yours in. I cast it. And it didn't even get 1 foot down.
That's how you know there's more in there.
I like a little 2-pounder, 15-incher. It's probably the biggest one that I've caught today. That's a nice one. Just throw them back. All right, guys, that was awesome. That's why we come to these. That's why we come to these places. Oh my God, he's a menace. There he goes. He's a big one, dude. What do you have to say for yourself, David?
A little slapperton. Been a clear water slapperton.
Mm-hmm. Clear water slapperton. Look at this stuff, guys. It's beautiful.
There's a big old group of creek chubs under me.
Mm-hmm. Suckers, creek chubs, carp everywhere. Of course, smallmouth. But yeah, guys, we're having a blast. I mean, it's beautiful scenery out here in the middle of nowhere. Fish are biting. We're starting to get some size now, so yeah, this is awesome. A little creek coming in right there. You guys see that? Just a little creek coming right in. Just that, like, the natural stuff. You know what I mean? Like this big cut bank that I'm going past right now. Like, you know, I'm so used to back home fishing man-made structure that fishing stuff like this is like, it's just awesome. It's different. It's a cool experience. And even though I've been here before, it never gets old. You know what I mean? So I'm having fun. Hope you guys are having fun watching. I'm going to get back to fishing because I want to get me another big one. One that was here was just the one big one.
No, I think even more to the right of that.
Yeah, in that like cut where like it's super skinny and deep on this. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I don't want to snag over there. Oh. Ooh. Bro.
Straight reeling in there. Huh?
Bro.
Oh, look how it goes. That's a nice buddy.
Bro, what? Bro. Are you kidding me? Yeah. I was literally just straight retrieving.
Yeah. He's fatter. Mine might
Look at the is that a snake?
Is it a
Bro.
Is it a snake?
Bro, there's a snake coming out of his butthole.
Like head first?
Like tail first, but I could tell it's a snake. Come here. Bro. Bro.
What is that, a crawdad in there too? Jesus.
Jesus Christ, I don't even know. It's like the snake shed, bro. What the? That's one of the, I think that's like tied with biggest of the day, or it's the fattest of the day. That thing is, that's a big one. For like a little creek like this, take that all freaking day. All right, we're gonna get a release of that one, guys. That thing had a freaking snake in its butt. That's crazy. And look at the creek we're fishing. Just goes to show you, and this is only like a 2 1/4 pound smallmouth, like maybe 2 and, you know, like 2, like not that big of a fish in all reality. And he ate a snake, like demon. And that's the stuff that happens in nature out here in the middle of the backwoods that we just never really think about. Smallmouth eating a freaking, that was like I mean, I'm sure that snake when it was fully grown was, you know, almost 2 feet long. And this smallmouth just smoked it. Yeah, I think they're gonna be this point you were slapping them on last time. I think they're gonna be all along the curve. They're gonna be, they're just everywhere, but that like you said,
That's a big one.
big one.
Hey, Nick, that's big.
That's a
Nick,
catfish.
that's something big. That's a catfish. It's gotta be. Nick, that's big.
Yup, big ass cat. Drum.
That's a drum.
I was hoping it wasn't.
I
a drum.
know. I was thinking flathead, bro.
I was hoping it wasn't a drum.
Look at it.
Look, you're fighting a big one on the camera though.
Dude, you went on the nastiest little drag run too.
Yeah, that was me.
Little menace.
They're like fucking redfish. I'm snagged, of course. Menace.
Big drum menaced on my
Look,
Ned rig.
Just straight bent the hook out, no problem. Certain brands of Ned heads, like, oh, the hook's thin and blah blah blah. You know what I mean? But like,
Made it right back.
it's nice when the hook's thinner sometimes. You get your snag out, bro.
I'm gonna make like 3 casts. I bet you I can get to a sack right there on the end of that point. Oh my God. He went first cast with that.
Some Tobitons down here.
Look at that one, folks. Smashed that PB&J Ned rig. Smashed it. Another like 2-pounder. That's awesome right there. We'll take those to what we came out here for. So we drive out here to the backwoods. All right, folks, that's gonna do it for us today on our Backwoods Creek adventure. This is a 2-day trip, so tomorrow we're going back out on a different creek, different river, kind of doing that little catch and cook, multi-species, you know, little situation. Today was mostly for smallmouth bass. Really hope you guys enjoyed that. As always, I enjoyed filming it, enjoyed fishing with my bro, David, aka TheFishFinesser. Go check out his perspective on his channel as well. If he posts that video before mine, I'll put the link in the description. If not, well, go check it out. I'll put his channel in the description. And then he'll have footage from the tripod that won't be on my video, so you guys will have, you know, like I said, different perspectives. Anyways, we're pretty pooped out. We want to go get some food and go kick it at the crib. So, like I said, that's going to do it for us today. Hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I'll see you in the next one.